Let's take a start. How do you feel about birds?
About?
Birds, panchi.
Okay.
How do you feel about birds?
Birds, I think,
Listen, I like the birds very much. They are so colorful. My favorite bird is parrot, and I do have parrots in my house. I feel great when I listen to the chirping of the birds or when I hear the chirping of the birds. Okay, like this you got to answer. So please, I asked you again. How do you feel about birds?
I love birds because I
Talk loudly. I love birds
I
because
love
they are
birds.
delicious.
delicious.
See, this is one style that you love the birds because they are delicious. Anyways, so how do you feel about birds?
I love birds because I had a parrot and I love so much.
Okay.
But after some time,
What
fly.
happened? The parrot died? All right, so sad, huh? How do people feel about birds in your country?
The people thinking about the birds not like good.
People
Because-
don't have good feelings about birds.
Yes, sir. Because they not love too much the birds. The value is not important.
I think if you give opposite answer, it will be better. No? I mean, people don't dislike the birds. Sometimes they put some pots in their houses for birds, especially for water and food, and people like the birds, something like that. Okay? Are there many birds near your house?
Like sparrow, parrot.
Now, first answer,
and-
yes, there are different
Yes.
species of birds. If you use the word species, very appropriate word. So,
So speaking,
sure, you getting nervous
yes, sir.
or feeling cold?
Same.
Same, okay. Are there many birds near your house?
The many birds near in my house like sparrow and chicks and parrot and goat
Parrot and goat? Goat is not a bird.
and
Cows? No. All right, so you can talk about like crow, right? These are the birds. Have you ever seen many kinds of birds?
no sir.
Now in the zoo or somewhere?
Yes.
Yes, you can talk about that.
I seen many birds in zoo. Last time I was go with my family and I visiting
I
every
visited.
type of birds.
Okay. All right. Do any birds have a particular significance in your country?
I don't understand.
Do any birds have any particular significance in your country? Like, you know, eagle, this bird has particular significance because of a national poet, Allama Iqbal, Rahmatullah alayh, he used this bird in his poetry. So this bird has some national significance. What's the national bird of Pakistan? Pigeon? Markhor is animal. All right. Okay. So you can just talk like that and be more confident. One last question. Have you ever raised a bird as a pet?
No sir.
Have you ever kept a bird as a pet?
Yes sir. Parrot also.
I have kept a parrot as a pet, and just speak a little more.
No sir, I can't.
Hmm?
I can't.
Tomorrow, inshallah?
Yes sir.
Yeah, tomorrow you have to come after eating 2 to 3 rotis. Yeah, Shakti. You need power, and you should bring a packet of tiger biscuit.
Okay.
You know tiger biscuits? When you eat one and then you are so powerful, then you say, "Mujhe kaam batao, main kya karu, main kisko khaun?" Something like that. So you need more confidence, right? Thank you.